Okay, here are three parts for the NFC door lock. First, have the NFC function mobile phone. Second, NFC target. Third, NFC door lock HF LM9. Okay, let us go to the software first. The software has three parts, 1, 2, 3. And the first part is for the administrator. Now, let us do the configuration. First, we initialize the target. This target put back on the mobile phone to read it. Okay, finish. Input the log ID. This one is very important because you will send the log ID to others. Okay, this one is very important. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, save it. The first target will be the MasterCard. Okay, save the MasterCard. And here, you can put a different door name, maybe the front door or back door, depends on yourself. Okay, save it. Okay, second step, we should match the mobile NFC with the door lock NFC. Okay, match it. When you see the screen turn to smaller, you press it. That means okay. The lock is not installed on the door, so maybe the speed will be slowly. Okay, it's successful. Match is successful. So now we go to use the key to open the NFC door lock. Okay. Press key. Ready. Okay, you see, you can open it. Okay, now we show you how to send the NFC code to others. Okay, go to the administrator software. Here, you can input the log ID 1, 2, 3, 4, and start date maybe today. Okay, today. Start time, now, set, end date, maybe tomorrow, set it, end time, tomorrow, 2:00 p.m. Like this, set it. Okay, the person who gets the NFC code can open how many times the door. You can choose it, maybe multi-type times and 2 times or single times. We just choose the 2 times. Okay, single times. Okay, and create the NFC code. Okay, then you copy it. You copy the text, share to the person. Maybe you can by email or message. Okay, send it to the person. Send it. Okay, when person gets the NFC code, we can use the NFC code to open the door lock. So that's all. Now we show you how to cancel the data. Here have a little button, the black one. You press 5 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that means cancel successfully. Okay, that's all. Thank you.